In this video, I'm going to show you how to set macro goals in MacroFactor. So setting macro goals in MacroFactor is a flexible process tailored to your preferences and objectives. So the step one, you will need basically to choose your program mode. MacroFactor offers like three program modes, each providing different level of customization. There is of course the coaching mode, which is the app calculates and adjusts your macro targets based on your goals and metabolic data. Collaborative mode, where you can manually adjust your macro distribution, while the app still provides guidance. And there is the manual like mode, which you'll be able to basically have full control over settings or setting your macro and calorie targets. So to switch mode, an example, you'll have to go and to the strategy tab. In here, an example, I'll be able to go and click on a new program or edit program. As you can see, I can also, like I do have here a maintenance goal because this is the goal that I set already. I can go and make a new goal. And as you can see, set a new goal. I'll be able to do it. Here you can choose the goal that you want, like lose weight, maintain weight, gain weight, totally up to you. And then here you'll have to choose the targets, the weight targets that you're looking for. And here you can also choose per week, like how much you want to add, how much you want to lose, and etc. So let's just say this. I'm not going to edit that. And as you can see here, they will show you the summary. So the goal rates, initial daily budgets, and estimated like end dates. You can click on done. As you can see, you can set your new program depending on the goal if you click on it. But for me, I'm not going to do so. So this is what I talk about, like coach, collaborative, manual. So you can choose manual here and set everything manual. For me, I'm not going to set that. I'm just going to quit this and I'm going to keep my same goal. For you, of course, you can go and create your own goal. As I said before, you'll be able to edit this however you want. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.